it's Angel. This is This and That. This video coming up is another orchid unboxing video. In an effort to have some facial expressions, I actually have crazy eyes in this video, so I thought that was pretty funny. And dang, my skin looks really good in that video. Not too bad in this one either, so it must be some kind of filter on the camera because my skin is really red and splotchy in real life. So, and also at the end of this video is a small clip of one of my orchids in bloom. So enjoy the video. Hi again, it's Angel, and this is my channel, This and That. I already have a new orchid to unbox, so we'll be doing an unboxing video again today. I still haven't posted my other ones, so they'll probably be posted back to back. Anyway, this is a dendrobium from Melina Hernandez in Florida. I also got this one off of Etsy. Looks like we lost some bark on this one. As you can see, it's dumping out everywhere. It's got some buds. You can see the buds there. This is called Dendrobium New Hope, and it's a mini. I'm trying to get some of this bark back in here if I can. It's got tape on it. The good news is my new bark came last night, so I can add more bark to this if I need to. Which is going to look like I'm going to need to. Let me pause it and go get bark. Okay, I got some more bark. Doesn't want to go in. Oh, this has a new growth on it. See the new growth right there? That's good. Okay, I'll give this one some water and some fertilizer here in a little bit, but I also have another repotting video to do. I don't know if I'm going to get to it today or not, but we'll see. Bye. Here is my Orchid Max starting to bloom. He's got 2.5 blossoms open, and it looks like that last one more bud, and that yellow bud's a bud blast. Is dead. That cottony stuff's not bugs, it's from the packaging. But isn't he pretty?